Okay, hello everyone. In the last episode, we have generated the plan using our architect skill of the cloud code. Now let's see what it actually made and we can take it from there. Before analyzing the plan, let's first see the folder structure, the PE structure, architecture, and the reference. What were those? Now, as I said in my previous videos, this guide is not for me now to explain everything. It's just a guideline which I will follow, and I have prepared it for the knowledge purpose. Maybe explaining this one requires a separate playlist or separate video series, but this is the guideline which we'll be using and the architect actually used. Now, if you see here, the terms are self-explanatory, like how the folder structure should be, how the architecture layer should be, then versioning, dependency injection, request lifecycle, database, repository pattern, a lot of things, right? So each of the topics actually explains what we are expecting from that architecture. Now, if we move on to the next step, that is the API architecture. So in the Express API server, what we want, this is the flow. When a request comes, it will pass through the APIs, version 1 or version 2. Then it will go to the domain, which is our service, then types, repository. Then we have some error codes, mappers. And those things will be carried on to the infra layer, which is our Prisma repository layer. And then the code or data will touch the PostgreSQL, our database layer in this case. So there are some naming conventions we'll be following, and there are some do's and don'ts into our project. So these are the overall architecture, you can say, high level architecture of the project. Now for the folder structure, I created a dedicated file because I want to keep it simple and doing only one thing. So if you see here, like again, we are having here the Prisma out of the project or the source directory. Then we have source, features, then something called shared, test, docs. In here, I think the infra is here somewhere. Anyway, this is in here. This is into the repository. Please help yourself to explanatory ideas. Now, these are the documents which I fed to the architect. Then you saw how the architect actually talked with me, and it produced some decisions or phases. So let me just going with you this one. This project is a production ready Express TypeScript API starter template. Yes. And we'll be doing auth user product order notification, just for example domain, because we all know about these domains. So I don't have to explain you the project requirement and the domain. Okay. The architecture is feature based, not layer based. I explained to you before. And the core is domain, because domain will not import anything from the API layer, which is HTTP, not from the infra layer, which is the Prisma and database or any infra. So it's the nucleus or independent section. Yep, this is what it said. And phases are ordered by dependency. I can zoom more, I think. Yep. So phases are ordered by dependency, because we need to create the project first, the foundations, then we should do something, then we should do something on top of that. Not like parallel everything, which agents want to do, but I don't want it to do. So the first one in here, again, this document is for your reference. Please go and help yourself to understand and digest the documents. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So the first one, the phase one, is our project scaffold. Of course, if there is no project, then how can we build the system, right? So these terms, if you see TypeScript, ESLint, vtest, Docker Compose, Prisma Client, Redis, Pinot, Oilix, DI, everything here is actually derived from the architecture document I showed you before. Okay, so it's not like the AI architect make stuff up. It followed the plan we did or the guideline we gave. So these are the acceptance criteria. I will discuss it more, but for now I'm just explaining to you. Then we have the auth phase, because authentication, authorization should be there so that we don't have to come and visit this later. Then we have the user feature. Then we have the product feature. Then we have the order feature. Then the notifications and caching, rate limiting, polish. So this is the dependency. Foundation, auth, user, product, order, notification, caching. So that's the end of the plan. Note, I didn't make this. The AI did. What did it write? Note, phase 3, phase 4 are independent of each other once phase 2 is complete. It could be built in parallel. Wow, interesting. We will try. Phase 5 requires both 3 and phase 4 to be complete. Okay. Okay. Now in here, it thinks the user. Is the user is the customer? I think so. I think, okay, we'll dig it more. For not now. For now, I think we're good. So there's the end of the demoing the architect skill. The next video, we'll try to do the next one. The next one is, hold on a second, the planner one, because we have the spec or high level architecture. Now we have to plan it. We have to grind the feature level planning requirements and everything. So it's a bit in depth. We will be discussing what if happened, what this happened, what if what. So those the type of things. So yeah. Then we have spec to plan to phases. Okay, I think that's it for now. I hope you liked it. See you the next video when we do the planner phase. Thank you for watching.